In this tutorial, we will see the construction of some geometries in TouchDMIS and how to make them. To get started, select the construction window. Feature geometries will appear. In the Professor mode, a dynamic toolbar shows the available construction options for selected features. In addition, a preview of the construction is displayed. When confirmed, the construction of features is created. If you want to create a specific feature, choose the feature from the list. A list of possible construction geometries will appear. Select one that is appropriate, then select features for construction from the hierarchy tree or the graphics screen. Based on selected features, only specific features can be used for the construction and only the available features can be selected. For some construction, users can utilize the buffer points of selected features. Buffer points can be selected in the construction window. For some features like circles, you can choose the center point or the buffer point. In addition, the fitting algorithm can be set. Features can be defined by nominals. These constructed features are created by inputting the coordinates. Let's go through simple construction examples. Let's construct a pitch circle. Go to Construct, Circle, and select Circle through Points. Pick features for construction. You can do it through the 3D scene or using the hierarchy selection window. Let's use the center green for selected features. No need to change anything in point selection as it is a default option. Fitting algorithm can be applied. Nominal of the constructed features is calculated from the selected features nominals. You can edit the nominal in the result window and apply tolerances when everything is good to go. Press Confirm to complete the feature construction. Example 2. Cylinder from circles. Measure 2 circles. Then, go to Construction and select Cylinder and Cylinder through Points. Pick the 2 circles from the hierarchy selection window. Let's use the buffer points. In this case, we need to make some changes in the selection since the default algorithm uses the center points of the circle. In this example, we will take points from 1 to 6 from circle 1 and points 1 to 6 from circle 2. Cylinder 1 will be constructed from these points. Check the nominal values and add tolerances if necessary. Press Confirm to complete.